Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to get Windows 10 for free on any Windows 7 or Windows Vista operating system. So first you want to go to a browser, whatever you want. So you want to type in Windows 10 installation media. You're going to click on the first link you see, and it's going to say create Windows 10 installation media. You're going to press download tool now. Once you download it, it's going to show this Windows tab. I already have it downloaded, but I will skip to the installation process. Alright, so this part, you're going to want to press accept. Alright, so right here it's going to say, what do you want to do? So if you press upgrade this PC now, it's going to change your Windows Vista or Windows 7 PC operating system into a Windows 10 operating system. And it will be basically the same from there on. It will keep all of your apps, and you will be good. But if you click create installation media process, create installation media via USB flash drive, DVD, or ASO file for another PC, it's gonna give the other PC an option to switch to 32-bit or 64-bit. And if you do this, you are actually going to have to delete all your files. I believe so. I don't know. It's based on my experience on switching to Windows 10 via my laptop. So right here, you are going to have to back up all of your files so they don't get deleted in the process. So back up all the files in that operating system they want to switch to Windows 10, and you are going to it's going to choose to delete all your files. But since I already have Windows 10, this is basically useless. The rest of the setup is pretty easy. There's really nothing to do other than just wait until Windows 10 is finally downloaded. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a pretty quick video. It's going to be pretty quick for you guys too, except for the installation process. It is going to take 1 to 2 hours for the Windows 10 operating system to download. But other than that, I am so far enjoying Windows 10. But if you want to see more videos like these, tutorial videos and how-to videos, make sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.